Hello traders, you are welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. So in this video, we are just going to be diving into a powerful tool that can seriously help enhance your Forex trading game. And that is the Currency Strength Index, okay, or the CSI for short. All right, the Currency Strength Index indicator. So this indicator is quite an effective indicator, when it comes to understanding market trends and finding the best currency pairs to trade. All right. So if you are looking to improve your decision making and get a clearer picture of the market, then this video is for you. Okay, let's just break it down real quick. Now, the currency strength index measures the strength of a currency relative to others in the market. Essentially, it tells you how strong or weak a currency is, based on its recent price movement. All right. So this is a crucial aspect of forex trading because, unlike the stock market, forex pairs are constantly moving in relation to each other. So the CSI gives you a real-time snapshot of which currencies are leading the market and which are lagging behind. All right. For example, if the currency strength index shows that the US dollar is strong, for example, right, and then that the euro is weak, you might look for opportunities to buy the USD and sell the euro, right? So this is where the currency strength index shines because it gives you actionable insights into which currencies are trending and how to align your trades with those trends. So now, how does the currency strength index actually work? The currency strength index is typically displayed. You can see how it is displayed. They might have a different, there could actually be different indicators, currency strength index indicators, right? And they might have the different forms of display and all of that, right? But basically, you should understand that currency strength index indicators like this, their function basically is just to compare the strength of different currencies, right? So you might not necessarily need to use a particular currency strength index, so long as you have any currency strength index indicator in your toolbox, right, and it is giving you the same value, then you might not necessarily need to use another currency strength index indicator, or whether it's currency market breadth or whatever the name is. But if it is doing the same thing, okay, they could actually be doing different things, right? They could be doing different things. I'm just saying it in case if you already have a similar indicator that you were using, okay, there could be some similarities, there could be some differences, right? So just take note of that, right? Okay. So this particular indicator, you can see how it is displayed on the chart, all right? And then, each currency is given a strength value, based on the price movement relative to others, right? You can see the index here, you can see the day. So it seems as if the euro had a, kind of a little bit of a bearish move. And then we had the GBP, move up, the NZD, the JPY, the CNY, but the CAD seems to be, just a little, maybe a little drop. And then we have, okay, this is for the index, this is for the day and all of that. Okay, let's just go into the settings for this indicator and see what we have here. Okay, the labels, the tables, this is for upper band and lower band, and these are the indicators that are here. All right, okay, and it seems like you can actually add an indicator that is not there. For example, let's see an indicator that is not there. All right, let's see. Okay, yeah, it's actually added. Yeah, so if you're using this particular indicator, maybe there is an asset. Yeah, perhaps there's an asset that you wanted to get information about, but it happens that the asset is not listed there, so you can actually go and add the asset manually, right? You can go add it manually. Okay. So now, what actually makes currency strength, index, indicators, or rather indicators like this. What makes them useful, right? The ability to highlight divergences in the market, the ability to, compare different currencies at a time. If you notice that, let's use the Euro USD again as an example, right? If you notice that Euro is gaining strength and maybe USD is losing strength, in that case, if you want to trade the Euro USD currency pair, if Euro, which is the base currency, is gaining strength, while USD, which is the quote currency, is losing strength, what does that mean? That means that Euro USD is going to go up. So you'll be looking for buy opportunities on the Euro USD currency pair, right? In the case whereby maybe you have USD losing strength and maybe the Swiss franc CHF gaining strength, if you want to trade the USD CHF pair, because the USD is losing strength and the CHF is gaining strength, then you'll be looking towards getting sell opportunities on the USD CHF. So this is just like a few examples, on how to make use of indicators like this that give you the strength of different currencies. All right. Remember that a positive value indicates bullish sentiment, while a negative value suggests bearish sentiment, right? The stronger the value, the stronger the currency, and all of that. Okay. So now, let's just quickly talk about different ways, right? Few key strategies that you can get the most out of this indicator. One is identifying strong and weak pairs. Okay, because the indicator is going to allow you to identify which currencies are currently the strongest, and the weakest, and all of that, right? So it helps you to make better decisions about which currency pairs to trade. Okay, then in terms of trend confirmation, you can combine the currency strength index with other technical indicators like the RSI or moving averages, to confirm trends. Okay, for example, if the currency strength index shows a strong USD and maybe the RSI is also indicating that the USD is overbought, something like that, it can confirm that the current trend is likely to continue. All right. So now, even with respect to spotting trend reversals, when the currency strength index shows a sudden shift in strength, such as a shift from positive to negative, maybe a particular currency suddenly shifts from positive to negative, it may signal a trend reversal for that currency, right? For that particular currency. Okay, so that could be an excellent opportunity to exit the trade or look for new entry points as the market shifts direction. Okay, then of course it can help you with pair selection. You can use the currency strength index to help you select the best forex pairs to trade at a time, because if the index shows that one currency is particularly strong and another is particularly weak, this could point to a high probability trade. Okay, so to maximize the effectiveness of the currency strength index, consider combining it with other indicators, right? A comprehensive trading strategy that integrates the CSI with indicators like maybe the RSI or thereabouts, yeah, or weather moving averages or RSI, MACD, and all of that. It can help you confirm signals and increase your trade accuracy, right? For example, if the currency strength index shows a strong USD and the RSI confirmed that it is not overbought, it could give you the green light to enter a long USD trade. Or maybe it shows you a strong signal on gold, right? Perhaps you get a strong signal on gold and then the RSI is just coming up from maybe the oversold territory, and in addition to that, maybe you identify that price has just gotten towards the support level. That's going to give you additional confirmation, confidence to enter that buy trade, right? So you're going to have a higher chance of succeeding because you have multiple factors giving you a go ahead, multiple factors giving you a green light, right? So it's important to get a confluence even when using the currency strength index. Okay, so if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you can stay ahead on all the, stay updated on all the latest trading strategies. Right? So drop a comment below if you have any questions or if there is a specific trading tool you'd like to learn more about. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy trading.